Hello guys, welcome to Nika Times Graphics. Today we are going to learn how to reverse your video. Yes, so if you want to learn how to reverse your video like this, then this video is for you. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so to reverse your video, import your video into CapCut, and when you import your video into CapCut, tap the video. Tap to highlight the video like this. So when you highlight the video like this, scroll it to this side. Scroll it to this side. Keep on scrolling. Keep on scrolling. So you see reverse. You see reverse. So tap on reverse. So when you tap on reverse, then play the video, it has been reversed. So you see that the man in the video is walking backwards. The video initially it was walking, he was going front, but he was going forward. But when you reverse it, you can see that he is now walking backwards. So this is how the video is. So after reversing it, this is the results. So that is how to reverse your video. That is very simple to do. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Like the video and put your comments at the comment section. Thank you.